Welcome back, Crammers, to question 17. The accurate scale drawing shows the position of college C and a train station S. Scale is 1 centimeter represents 500 meters. Find the bearing of S from C. So what does that mean? Most students would simply take the angle here, but it's actually the college to the train station. When we take the bearing, we always find the clockwise direction starting from the initial, which is S, and we go clockwise to the final, which is C. So it's actually this angle. Now we have to use a protractor here, and here I got 140 degrees. For Charles, one step is equal to 0.44 meters. Work out the number of steps Charles walks when he goes in a straight line from the college to the train station. Give your answer correct to the nearest whole number of steps. So here we can see that 1 centimeter represents 500 meters. And I measured this to be 6 centimeters. So we simply multiply 6 centimeters times 500 and we divide by 0.44 to find the number of steps. And we can put this into calculator to find our answer. 6 times 500 divided by 0.44, we get 6,818.18. 6,818.18. However, the answer has to be correct to the nearest whole number of steps. Since this is the nearest whole number, we have to look at the value after that, which is 1. And we follow the rules 1, 2, 3, 4. Round down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Round up. And since 1 is between 1 and 4, we simply round down. So our final answer is 6,818 steps. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.